Hi guys, we will send a lock phone from China digitally, global sending. If you like the phone, you can place us the order digitally. I will put an order link below the video. Global sending. If you want to make B2B business, you can contact with us. I will put a B2B contact link below the video. And also, you can subscribe to our Instagram page. You can scan the QR code or search at lock phone in Instagram and follow us. We only focused on lock phones. And it's Doogee flagship lock smartphone, Doogee S96 Pro, IP68 and IP69K lock smartphone. Let's review the lock smartphone. It is the world's first infrared night vision lock phone, IP68 and IP69K. The lock phone have three colors: fire orange color, army green color, and millennial black color. It is a 6.22 inch to 19:9 radio. Resolution is 1520 pixels by 720 pixels. Android 10 operating system. CPU is MTK G90. Octa-core 2.0 GHz. 8 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM. Samsung UFS memory. Supports micro SD card up to 256 GB by micro SD card. The battery built-in is 6350 mAh battery built-in. Supports 12 volt, 2 ampere, 24 watt fast charging and 10 watt wireless charging. It supports GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, satellite, navigation system, and it supports NFC, Google Pay, and global frequency bands, FDD LTE, fingerprint and face unlock. Its front camera is main camera is quad camera, 4 cameras. (48 megapixel), Samsung 48 megapixel. Okay, let me show it to you. This is 48 megapixel Samsung 48 megapixel, and this one is Sony 20 megapixel night vision camera. This is Samsung 8 megapixel, and this one is 2 megapixel. NFC support. And the material is metal housing. Here's fingerprint sensor, power on off button, volume up and down. And here's Type-C the USB port and headphone jack. This one is black color. Can see? Amazing design is the cone cameras, LED flashlight, LED flashlight. Here's the fast button. You can set up the fast button, SOS, the camera, the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and the calling as you want. Here's the dual nano SIM card and one micro SD card. Here are all Google apps support, Google Play Store. And here are very useful apps for outdoor. And for FM radio, it supports FM radio. And we can see face unlock, face ID, fingerprint, navigation bar. Here's languages. All languages in the world is support. About phone. About phone Android 10 operating system. Smart touch. Network. And let's continue to check the camera function. Macro camera function. And UHD. Here's the photo. We can test it's a 64 megapixel. And the camera is 48 megapixel. And video, night vision. Here's the night vision camera. Okay, let's continue to check what include in the color box. Doogee, powered by Android. Okay, and in the color box, we can have a look at the color box. Can they close? Have a look. The details. In the color box will come 1 piece charger, 12 volt 2 ampere 24 watt charger, 1 piece tool for the lock phone, for the SIM card slot. Like this, we can use it to take the SIM card slot out. It is very useful. And 1 piece headphone, Doogee headphone, 1 piece to lock this lock phone, and 1 piece type C to USB cable. Here is the screen plate and the thank you card screen plate, and for the screen plate, here's a warranty certificate. Here's the manual. The manual is multi languages. That's all. And also you can choose infrared LED light. Together you will save the payment. Together shipping. You can buy it alone for the outdoor. It is a very useful infrared light, LED light. Thank you for your watching. If you like the lock phone, you can place as the order directly. I will put an order link below the video. If you want to make B2B business, you can contact with us. I will put a B2B contact link below the video. Thank you for your watching.